Texas. I don't know, it's not spelled G-R-E-N. Yeah. And we're about to go to Gruene Hall. It is Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there.
Yeah. And anyway, we're going to take you along on this adventure. Oh, the joys of getting the baby out of the Jeep. It's a little easier with the doors off. Well, the doors are still on, with the top off. And if the top was on. Head in the coat. Like things have changed a little bit, huh? Can't go in the front door. Gotta come to the side door. As you are going with us to the oldest honky-tonk in the state of Texas. And anybody who is anybody in the state of Texas, from ZZ Top to George Strait, has played Gruene Hall. Anyway, let's go inside and take a look. And now Caitlin's playing Gruene Hall. As if you were expecting anything fancy, it ain't here. That's the original old stage. We have come to with Corona. We have a virtual tip jar. The band's going to start, and I have never been here that I did not hear some good music. Not just Texas country or country music, but some good music. Patiently waiting. Usually the bar's inside. Kind of see right there. But everything's close off. I hope this is coming out. You're not going to be able to see it. There's George Strait's picture with his autograph.
She was moving out, she would have to flip her wings. Big floppy emojis, all you want. Putting my love in, back on the mountain. Love on a certified Cadillac. I got my best suit on and a pocket full of lines, and my boots got that buffy shine. Well, I'm ready to make a move on, dog, with you, 'cause I'm ready to rock all night. We'll show the city love to my Cadillac. All this, I put my love
I guess we'll do a little wine tasting today. The layout of what's going on here, and there is our badass. Not so much badass. So we are still in Fredericksburg, actually just outside Fredericksburg at Badass Ranch Winery. Take you inside, do a little wine tasting, and follow along with us as we go along. Beautiful day here in South Texas. Gonna take you through before we walk inside. These are the benches that they've got out front at their old truck tailgates. And of course, because of COVID, it's you got one that you can sit in and one that's X'd out.
Our blackberry wine is here, and get your fat ass in
Yeah, I'll let Maggie go first.
here. Huh.
And there you go. And here we are.
Yeah, I'll tell you the wine that I really like. I don't know if you've had it before. Told them about it. It's called Cooper's Thief. It's a wine blend. It's aged in whiskey barrels.
Oh, wow.
So you get that kind of oak bourbon taste out of it. But it's probably one of my favorite wines.
We have a port that is aged in whiskey.
In whiskey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And it's a black Spanish rosé.
Yeah.
You might like
And that's 23% alcohol.
Yeah. See, this is, and I want to say this is, the percentage of alcohol in this wine is like 2% from making it an actual liquor. Anyway, cheap shameless plug for Cooper's Thief. There we go.
This is inspired by Luke's Bar and the Beatles song, Strawberry Fields Forever. And then this one also tastes like those strawberry candies with the wrappers that grandmother always had. You could never find them.
All right, kids. Those that are my age or a little older, we're doing Boone's Farm again. Here we go.
It tastes like the strawberry candies, the strawberry wrapper candies. Oh my gosh.
Not very good.
Does it not?
Very good.
Oh my gosh, it does taste just
I like
like
it.
it.
Really does.
Hey guys, I'm going to take you around and kind of just show you the winery here. And as we went and tasted, again, inside they've got the, which I think is really cool, they've got the old tailgates for the trucks. This just kind of gives you a list of what you'll find at Badass Ranch and Winery. Great place. Step over and kind of read something to you. It said it all started several years ago, and I guess the couple that owned the place got married and found the perfect Texas Hill Country Ranch. Those 3 square meals a day sure were good, but it wasn't long enough until they noticed that the britches were getting a little tighter. So they opened up their own winery, and it's good wine. If you're in Fredericksburg, try them out. Also, check out the link. You can also order online, and they also have a membership. So if you like wine, and it's just another alternative. Good Texas Hill Country wine. Also, their wine is more of a sweeter wine. I'm not a big sweet wine drinker, but it's actually pretty good. I'm going to purchase a bottle of the Texas Red, and I'm also going to purchase a bottle of the Peach. She was telling us that take that, mix it with some iced tea or lemonade, and it's real good. So you can use it as a wine, as a mixer. Never done that before. Try it out. Yeah, it's this one I just tasted. I'm going to let her explain to you what it is, but she just said that this is with grapes right out of their backyard, right here on the ranch. I'll let her explain that what this is. Again, with the website and the link, get online and look up these folks and give them your business. Again, they have a membership to join. You can order online, and it's a great winery. So I want you to kind of explain again what I'm drinking here.
So this is our Texas Tempranillo. It's from our state line. So you're going to get red I said, it's from right in our backyard. So enjoy.
I think the
Yeah,
Douglas
it's fantastic.
gives a sweet taste to it.
It is. It's fantastic. And guys, I'm sorry. I'm using the iPhone today. I just didn't feel like carrying a camera around, but you'll have to bear with me.
We both have to.
Guys, let me. Okay, hey guys, this is their membership, and it is free to join. I do want to make note of something because I told you guys that you could get on, follow the link. They do ship only here in Texas. So those of you that are from the outside should have moved to Texas. I'm going to show you one more thing, and I'm not really going to tell you a lot about it because you just might find this in Papa's salsa. Just saying. But we won't reveal too much about that. But this is really, really good. It's got a jalapeno taste to it, and then a raspberry taste to it, and it's all in how you drink it. It's kind of like, for me, I'm a whiskey drinker, and it's utilizing your taste and utilizing your tongue for all of that taste and how you drink it. So anyway, something unique thought I'd share with you. Guys, we are leaving Fat Ass. Been here for a while, and I want to tell you that these folks are super, super nice. Again, we'll put the description down in the, I've been here way too long. We will put the web link down in the description, and please check them out. Super, super nice people. We actually became a family member of Fat Ass, and they give you a pin to bring in. We're coming back September the 13th, and it's a members only type day. So check them out if you're in Fredericksburg. If you live in the state of Texas, they do ship. Love our Fat Ass. Hey guys, we are at Bingham Family Vineyards. This is another stop in Fredericksburg on the winery tour, and kind of wanted to give them a cheap, shameless plug. Again, if you're in Fredericksburg, please stop by and give these folks a visit. They've got an outfitter shop in front of the vineyard, in front of the winery, and got some great prices and great merchandise. We're about to try the wine. We'll let you know how that is. I'll get you all the details as far as any type of membership and where they ship to, and we'll leave that down in the description. So Bingham Family Wineries or Family Vineyards, and I'll put that description down below.